Let's do another system test. So yeah, it's been running 24/7 for a few days now. Let me get my notifier key out. So let's feel how warm the EOL resistors have gotten. Bit toasty, but not bad. So I'm sorry for what I'm about to show you. Yeah, I really don't know how I managed to screw that up. So let's get started. Okay, that sucked. Even with tape on it, this thing's still pretty loud. So the Voicy back is not connected right now. I just unplugged the relay because it's getting annoying. So let's do the FCI MS2, shall we? Why not open it? That was stupid. Alright, and for the finale, let's just do the smoke detector real quick. Alright, now I can reset. So yeah, that was a short little test. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.